know y'all can see that right here. Got a wall cordless magic clip, the metal edition. But we got an Andis fade blade on it. Yo, YouTube, so look, listen. Get a camera time to focus. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, we in there. But look, I know it's been a minute since I've been right in front of you guys, chopping it up with you guys, man, letting you guys know, you know what I'm saying, what I think about something, just my opinion. You know, just been grinding, as you can see in the background, man, the shop looks completely different, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, was tied up with that, just life too, man, you know what I mean? But shout out to my boy Desmond for what I'm getting ready to say. Me and him chop it up damn near every day, you know what I'm saying? If it's not every day, it's every other day, you know what I mean? And we just talking about barbering as a whole, whether it's the business side, whether it's new clippers, whether it's products, whatever, you know what I mean? We sending each other cuts, you know what I mean? So we giving each other constructive criticism, the whole nine. So it's just like me and him doing that joint really got me like, yo, it's crazy how different, you know what I'm saying, every barber is, you know what I mean? Like when it comes to how they feel about this, like I tell bro all the time, you know, I can tell you, hey, I'm rocking with the low pros and you get them joints, they might work for you, they might not. That's a part of the game, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, me and him was chopping it up and we started talking about this right here. So, I know y'all can see that right here. Got a wall cordless magic clip, the metal edition. But we got an Andis fade blade on it. And, you know, it ain't no secret, you know what I'm saying? This is probably one of the most, it is, for real, it probably is the most game-changing mod in the industry right now, you know what I'm saying? Because we all know wall, the power is unmatchable, you know what I mean? It's been like that, you know what I'm saying? And granted, you got companies coming out now that they really competing, you know what I'm saying? So I'm curious to see what Wall gonna do, if they gonna really step the game up, you know what I'm saying? Then you got somebody like Philty, he tearing the game up, you know what I'm saying? When it comes to this mod right here, bro, come on, man. You know what I'm saying? So I'm curious to see what they gonna do, you know what I'm saying? Cause you know, I forgot what clipper company it is, but you know they already come with the mod. So you buy the clipper, you can do whatever you want to. You know, that's dope as hell, you know what I mean? And you know, not saying other companies should bite off it, but they definitely should do stuff like that for the industry, you feel me? But I'm just gonna give you guys my opinion on this, you know what I'm saying? I've been using them probably for about a month and a half, and I'm not gonna lie. Once I made the mod, it was my go-to. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you guys. Literally, no matter what, I was picking this joint up, you know what I'm saying? Me personally, I like the Andis fade system a lot better than I like the wall. And not saying anything is wrong with the wall fading system. It's just, I feel like the way I like the fade, I kind of like having a stretch fade. You know what I'm saying? I feel like using the Andis fade system gives me that freedom and that range, or, you know what I'm saying, just that realm to give me a stretched out fade, you know what I mean? But every barber got a different preference, you know what I mean? And don't get me wrong, you can get the same type of stretch fade with a wall clipper, a Babyliss clipper, a JRL clipper. It's just what's easier for you, or what's, you know what I mean, more convenient, or what help you keep your time efficiency up. You see what I'm saying? So, you know, that's just what I prefer. You feel me? But so something, I'm not gonna say kick this to the curb, but something kind of did step in my rotation a little more than this, just because I wanted to test it out. But this mod right here, I'm not gonna lie to you, it changes the game, bro. You know what I mean? Because like I said, you get the wall power, you know what I mean, with the Andis fade system, you know what I mean? I had one problem, and it didn't really affect nothing, but I don't know if y'all can see it on camera. You see the blade is kind of shifted a little bit. And like granted, when you cut it on, that joint straighten right back up. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, even with it being like that, and I might need to go in there and kind of mess with the screws a little more, whatever, you know what I'm saying? Just play around with it a little more. But, you know, even with it like that, I have no problems or no trouble or whatever, like fading whatsoever. Like, still getting nice stretched out fades, still loving, you know, the clipper as a whole. You know, I'm not gonna lie, man, you really thinking about doing it, I would do it, you know what I mean? Because as soon as I did that, like, I promise you, I didn't use this clipper like that until I did this mod. I promise you. You know what I mean? Because I'm not really a fan of magic clips. You know what I mean? This clipper right here just was dope. It was the, you know, the metal edition or whatever. But as soon as I put that Andis, that bracket on, yes sir. Top, I'm telling you, every single fade, I was picking this joint up. You know what I mean? And I know it's a lot of negative things out there, whatever, about the fade blade. But me personally, yo, I feel like if you can master this blade and you really, you know, don't be digging into the skin and you really like flicking and being gentle with it, yo, I'm telling you, like, if you can get this blade down, you're gonna see a huge difference in your fade. Like, where I got them set at right now, right? Like, they not zero gap, but they not stock either, you feel me? Right there, like, it don't get the ball line completely out, but it's a very faint line. So, to be honest with you, the only way you're really gonna see that faint line is if you're really paying a lot of detail, or, you know, to the cut, to attention to the cut or whatever, right? So, you know what I mean? Like, it's not too many blades out here that's doing that. Now, granted, my low pros, you know what I'm saying, my boy Desmond, I told my boy about it. With them joints, stock, fresh out the box, I did not have to move the blade whatsoever, and it takes the ball line out every single time. And I'm using the wall balding clippers at that, you know what I mean? So, them joints, I'm gonna drop a video of them joints too, you know what I mean? Them joints definitely, I'm gonna just tell y'all now, nah, I'm gonna save it. Y'all gotta wait till that video, find that joint out. But yeah, man, hey, y'all go pick this joint up if you contemplating on getting it or not. I definitely recommend it. Oh yeah, I did have this last problem right here too with the lever. To keep that joint, that bracket as tight as I would like it, I kind of had this joint too tight. So I had to loosen it up a little bit, and it's a little loose, but you can see it's like, let me show y'all. So like, it's a little loose, don't get me wrong. You know what I'm saying? But it's not like you tapping it, you see what I'm saying? It ain't going nowhere, even at close. Like, it move, you feel me? But it ain't, you know what I mean? You going up with it, that joint ain't moving, you know what I'm saying? Even if it's closed, you feel me? So those are really the only two problems I had. I promise you guys, y'all know how I get down on this channel, man. I give y'all the straight truth, my opinion. So like I said, man, hey, if you contemplating on getting it, go get them joints, man. Give it a try, you know what I mean? That's how I look at it. Give it a try, because that way, if you give it a try, you don't like it, you already know you don't like it, so you really ain't lose, you know what I mean? And then half of these mods and parts and stuff you can sell, you know what I mean? So it's really like you can't really lose, in my opinion, you know what I mean? But if you do, man, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn post notifications on, man. Listen, I promise you, we back on the grind, so I need everybody. If you're new, if you're not already, whatever, hit that subscribe button, man. Right now, if you love barbering as a whole, hit that subscribe button, man. Until next time, we out.